Hello friends, you are watching Tax Dosti videos, and we'll be doing this case which was decision made in the High Court regarding Section 7E, tax on deemed income, in 30 parts. So this is introduction, and these are all the petitioners. You can see that there are about 250 petitioners in this case, and it is very important that taxpayers, Pakistani taxpayers, resident and non-resident, though this section only applies to resident taxpayers for tax year 2022, know what is section 7E. And the date of hearing was 28th of October, and date of order was 28th of October. So we have already made a video on Tax Dosti regarding the summary of this decision. Today we will see in 30 parts how this decision, what was the judgment by Sindh High Court, and why they ruled in favor of this section 7E, being tax on deemed income, that is the tax on holding of capital assets, mainly immovable property. So this is introduction. See you in part 1.